Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to Chef Vic Cuisine. Today we're making oatmeal cookies. Now this is one of the healthier options as far as my cookie recipes go. This hearty oatmeal recipe will have enough flavor to satisfy any naysayer. So let's get started. All right, let's dive right into this recipe. We're gonna preheat our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 176 degrees Celsius. You also wanna line 2 baking sheets with parchment paper. Now in a medium-sized bowl, we want to whisk together 1.5 cups worth of all-purpose flour with 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, half a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of baking powder, and half a teaspoon of salt. Whisking them until they're fully combined. You want to set this aside. This creates the dry mix for our recipe. Separately, in the bowl of a stand mixer fitted with a paddle attachment, we're going to cream 1 cup's worth of unsalted butter that's been softened. We're going to cream that alongside 1 cup of light brown sugar, as well as half a cup of granulated white sugar. Whisking those until they're well combined. Now you want to mix in 1 egg at a time. In total, you only need 2 for this recipe, but you don't want to add the second one until the first egg has been incorporated. You want to follow that up by adding in 1.5 teaspoons worth of pure vanilla extract. At this stage, you want to add the dry mix to the bowl and mix this until the batter has just combined and no dry parts remain. Now you want to add in 3 cups worth of rolled old-fashioned oats, 1 cup of milk chocolate chips, and 1 cup of chopped walnuts to the batter and fold them until they're all well dispersed. You want to form 1.5 inch diameter balls of batter from this mix and place them onto your prepared baking sheets, spacing them at least 2 inches apart. You want to bake these for 12 to 13 minutes or until the cookies are golden brown. Remove them from the oven and allow the cookies to cool on the tray for 4 minutes to allow the cookies to set. With that final step, these are ready to be served and enjoyed. Congrats, you've made oatmeal cookies right at home. You can substitute the milk chocolate chips for raisins for a more traditional oatmeal cookie, but I do like the chocolate edition. But when you do try this at home, be sure to tag me at Chef Vic Cuisine or hashtag Chef Vic Cuisine so I can see your great takes on this dish. As always, this recipe and many more can be found in my cookbook, Chef Vic Cuisine Volume 3, Upgrading Your Inner Chef. That's available on Amazon, and I'll be sure to leave a link to that in my description box. Feel free to click the pop-up on your screen for more information on that as well. Thank you all so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed learning how to make these cookies, and if you did, make sure you smash that like button for me. It's one of the best ways to show support for the channel. And if you haven't done so already, subscribe. And feel free to share this video with all your family and friends. And stay tuned for next week where I try to make an amazing dessert recipe, my banana pudding. Well, thank you all again so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. You can always catch more videos on my page now. YouTube thinks you'll like these recipes, so let's see if they're right. And I'll catch you next time on another episode of Chef Vic Cuisine. And until then, peace.